Hey everybody, it's just a human here. Happy Sunday. It's my first time coming on here in like forever, but it's okay. Man, where do I start? It's just been a journey to get here. Gosh, please forgive me. I've been dealing with this cold, flu, whatever, bug, since last Saturday. So, fun stuff. Anyways, let me just take a minute to, for those who know what's going on, I haven't had a fridge in a couple months now. Let's see if I can't. Anyways, okay. This thing, which is my fridge, as you can see, it's clearly empty. I've got to clean it today. Yeah, forgive me, I don't have a shirt on. It's extremely hot out here, so anyways, just want to show you all what's going on here. Okay, so this little thingy right here is called a power inverter, and I have not had it on in a while, simply because, look right here, don't know if you can see it or not. I'm gonna try to. This little cable right here was disconnected from the back, so it really wouldn't turn on. All I saw was this. No matter how many times I pressed this red button and looked over it and fiddled with it, I could not get it to turn on. Anyways, now, boom, there you go. I have power. So, and it's in an odd spot to where I really can't see it that well. And so, here we go. Check this out. Look at this. Isn't this just beautiful sight? Power! I have a fridge! So, anyways, what I ended up doing was taking this whole thing out, had to rewire it directly to the battery again. And of course, the questions are going to be popping up in everybody's mind. Well, why didn't you see this earlier? Believe me, I've tried. But with this cable right where it's at, believe me, I'm not trying to make any excuses. I don't have time to look at it fully, okay, when I get shut down, because I've got very few hours left to sleep. So it's either stay awake, miss some sleep, drive tired, be unsafe, then I'll take a look at it. Or over the weekend, when I have time, I really don't have time because I'm dealing with other things that are more important. Yes, granted, this is important, but is it something I can live without and deal with for right now? Yes, it is. But it's okay until I get back to my house. Oh, look, there's my house. So, it's pretty much the first time I've had to stop and take a look at it without being too distracted. Now, I will show you all this. Forgive me because the truck is messy. I'm still working on it. It's taken me all of 2 days to still work on it. Why? Because there's so much to do between that right there and this right here. Again, so, forgive me, here's the inside. Okay, now, take y'all on the inside. So, let's climb up here. Yes, that's my Coca-Cola sitting right here. I'm kind of being bad. Nonetheless, it is cold though. So, I shouldn't be drinking soda while I'm in the heat. Anyways, I know. Okay, so this is my floor. Again, forgive me, it's messy. I know, I understand that. But so much has to be done. Like stocking the fridge, stocking my shelves, which there's some new stuff here. Yeah, obviously making the bed. I had to get this reorganized because it is just a mess. So, anyways, you know, obviously my cupboards are still going to be, you know, empty for right now. I've got a whole bunch of food and stuff inside. I just need to get to it in a minute. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I still have to organize this area. I haven't even unboxed my coffee pot yet because, again, without the power inverter, I don't have any power to supply these little outlets right here. Again, connected to the power inverter, so if I don't have a power inverter, I don't have power. So again, says plug, has plug right here, somewhere, ish, right there, connects to the fridge, and as you see, no power. Why? Because I shut off the power inverter for right now. I'll turn it back on in the morning when I get ready to leave, so the fridge can get cold again, so I can have a fridge. It doesn't make sense to waste the batteries right now until they, speaking of, until they go completely dead, and then I have to call for a jump start, and there's a whole bunch of problems, and this, that, and the other, and I have to call the boss. Anyways, make a long story short, oh, man. Again, you know, forgive me, this heat is no joke. I mean, absolutely no joke. But yeah, I'm getting prepared to leave out of here tomorrow morning. Probably 4 a.m. I'll leave in the morning to go to my first pickup, and then I'll be heading east. So yeah, again, please everybody continue to pray for me as I travel across to the East Coast, and as well pray for everybody that is on the East Coast. So far, there's a couple lives that have been lost to the hurricane due to poor decisions, and that's unfortunate that it had to happen like that. Last time I checked, I don't know the update so far, but last time I heard there was 100+ thousand people that have lost power, and oh man, let's continue to keep them in our prayers, please. Alright, so break time over. I'm going to get back at it while I still have this energy, and yeah, anyways, happy Sunday, have fun, and as always, my name is Just a Human, and I will see y'all out there on that open road.